Hi friends, it's Mimi here, and we have been together now 2 days. Today is the third day. I'm so excited you're back for Wake Up Brain with Mimi. Well, we've been having a kind of theme here. First we did the apple sequencing. Then we did a read aloud, but we tied in a little sequencing there as well. And today we're back to apples. You know, I don't know about you, but a long day at school, I'm dying for a snack when I get home. I love healthy snacks that are fun to eat, don't you? And apples are delicious, but I think we can make them even a little bit more fun. I'm going to take this apple. Now you can use an apple and cut it, or you know how at the store they sell in the little packages the apple slices, they're already cut up. I know even if you go to like some fast food restaurants with the kids meals, they offer them, the apple wedges. Like I said, supermarkets have them definitely. Well, what you're going to do, if you are going to cut it, please be careful. If you need assistance, please ask for it. We're going to take 2 wedges. Let's see if we got that. See that? And we're going to make apple smiles. Have you ever made these? They're quick, easy, and delicious. All you need is some apples, some mini marshmallows, and some peanut butter. If you're allergic to peanut butter or you don't like peanut butter, there's, soy butters, there's sun butters, there's all kinds of substitutes. And if worse comes to worse, you could always use honey. Anything sticky will do. So you're going to take your slice, you're going to get a little peanut butter on your knife, and you're going to spread it on. I don't know about you, but I love peanut butter. Then you're going to get, open this up, some mini marshmallows. Those are going to be your pearly whites, your teeth. You only need a few of those. Now, if I had a bigger apple, I would need a few more. But I think 3 will do it. And then I'm going to put a little bit of peanut butter on this side as well. And I'm going to close it up. Look at that. It looks like a smiley face, doesn't it? The red skin are the lips. The white marshmallows are the teeth. And the peanut butter is the gums. The best part is when you get to eat it. I'm going to try mine now. So good. And it's healthy too. You can get natural peanut butter if you don't want the sugar. And it's delicious. So come back tomorrow for some more fun activities. Try this when you get home today. It's a great alternative to chips or other kind of snacks, pardon me, and I will meet you back on the carpet tomorrow for another activity. But before we go, you know what we should do? We should tie in our sequencing, shouldn't we? What did I do first? Right, I got my ingredients. I had my apple, my marshmallows, and my peanut butter. Then what did I do? Let me give you a clue. It involved, that's right, I cut up my apple. Now, if your pieces are already cut up, you're a step ahead. Then what did we do? That's right, we added the peanut butter to the edge of the slice. What came next? Good job, we added our teeth, our marshmallows. And then a little bit more peanut butter on the other side and closed it up. And what's the last thing we did? You don't remember? We ate it, and that's the best part. I will see you tomorrow on the carpet for another fun activity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. And I will see you tomorrow. Do something nice for someone today and make someone smile. Bye-bye.